So I'm just going to record this video briefly about property management and a recent court case we had up in Riverside. Basically a tenant moved into a property. Our normal process is to, at move-in, we go through the whole 5-page move-in, move-out form. It's called a memo. And jot down any blemishes in the property. Basically, I explained it to tenants. If you think you could reasonably be charged for this once you move out, and you don't want to be charged for it, then just jot it down. It's okay. Be as specific as you want. We take pictures of everything they jot down. There's certain things you can't take pictures of, like smell, mainly. So we just kind of if they write down carpet smells or the house smells like smoke or something, we just note it down on the form, right? And the reason's obvious. Most people don't remember the specifics, especially when there's money involved. Both sides, just memories get blurred. So in this case, however, everyone was out of town. We hired an agent to briefly just do the move-in for us, and it's my fault. I didn't train her well enough to understand, right? The bottom line is it's my fault. So, or understand what needed to be done exactly, etc. Although, she did jot it down correctly, and the tenant did fill out the form correctly, with very few things noted. Big house, 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, huge house, and so when the agent sent us the form, it was illegible. And then the agent actually, had some family issues, actually medical emergencies, and pretty serious stuff. So, when we did end up following up with her again to get the another copy of the form, it was already gone. It was too late. She didn't know what she did with it, and she was dealing with other much more serious stuff, right? So, so that was that. Then, so tenant moved in. The carpet was not new. The place had been professionally cleaned, and the carpets had been cleaned. We had invoices dictating that, right, or showing that, demonstrating that, and which is our process again. Move-in form, all 5 pages. Every line has has some kind of entry into it. If it doesn't exist, for example, if the garage doesn't have any windows and the form says garage windows, we put NA on it, right? We don't leave any lines blank, okay? And we take pictures of everything they write down, and we, before a tenant moves into a unit, we prefer to have total professional deep cleaning and carpet cleaning. Steam cleaning, right? The reason being is because we want the property back the way we got it, right? It's just a good policy to have in place when you're dealing with hundreds of properties and 100 move-ins and move-outs a year. That's how you crank through things, and we all know the standard, right? So that's the standard. That's what happened before she moved in. I had invoices for cleaning and carpet before she moved in, and we had the move-in, move-out form. However, as we found out later, it was, we couldn't see it, right? And there were no pictures taken at the move-in as well. So, all right. So that's basically part 1, and I'll talk more about it later, the result, and what the issue was. The issue was move out and deposit, and we held too much deposit for cleaning and carpets, etc., and trash haul away, etc. So, yeah, I'll get more into that later. All right, thanks.